Hey, it's Casper. Nice to see you. The reason you probably found this video is because you're looking for cheap franchises. And I may have something that may interest you. If we look into the business of franchising, it may be pretty costful to get started. If you're looking, for example, Subway franchise, to get started, you will need a place to rent, you need the kitchenware, you need people to work for you. This is a lot of overhead for you. And actually, as we're in the 21st century, the information century right here, we have this amazing thing in our hands as the internet. So, if we're looking for a business to start and a cheap franchise, then I recommend you to look for internet, because if you're starting your business online and you want to start your franchise there, then the great thing is that you have almost no overhead. You have no place to rent. You have no workers to pay for. You don't have any kitchenware or any. The only thing that you need to have is your laptop, and if you're looking at this video, you probably already have it. So it's great. So I wanted to talk to you about the three things that you need to start your own online business. But I know you're thinking, right, online business, and there's a lot of hype there because there are many marketers and people that promote you that you have just one click, one button marketing system. Just buy this and you will make tens of thousands of dollars a day, just like that. But let me be real with you, it's not working like that. If you want to start your own online business, online franchise, then you have to put some work in. But comparing to the traditional franchising, it's nothing. So the three things you need to start your own online business successfully. Number one, you need a product or a service to sell. You need something to add value to people so that they can pay you. Number two, you need targeted traffic. You need people who are interested in your business opportunity, and you need to get your word out to them. And this is actually pretty easy too. Number three that you need is the sales funnel. The sales funnel actually it consists of three things. You have your lead capture page where you collect your prospects' email addresses, and then you have your email autoresponder that collects all the emails so that you can send out emails to all of your prospects at the same time. And the third thing, your sales funnel will lead the prospects to your sales page. That will show them this business opportunity or the product or anything that you are promoting. So these are the three things you need in your online business to be successful. It's product, it's traffic, and it's a sales funnel. You need these three things to start your own cheap franchise online. So if it sounded anything interesting for you, let me make it to you even easier, because our team and the system that we are using is teaching you all of these three things, how to put them together and how to start making $250 a day with this system. I have been using this system myself, and I can say it's working. You can check out from my channel my testimonial videos. And so, as I said, if it's anything interesting for you, just click on the link in the description. It says something like 10kmonthfreedom.com/cheap franchises. So just click on the link, and you will be directed to the video that will show you more about the system and the business opportunity that you can get started to make $250 per day. Sounds interesting? So see you on the inside. Peace.